Welcome back everyone. Welcome back to the channel again. Thanks to those who are subscribing and watching. Yeah, we are still doing this. So I just finished eating breakfast now, and then I was like, hey, since I have nothing to do, let me unbox what I've ordered this week. Please don't be surprised. Please don't be shocked. Okay, maybe you can be shocked, but yeah, please don't think this is a sponsored video. It's not a sponsored video. I am just as shocked as you guys. If you guys are shocked, this huge box. I don't know if I got someone else's order by mistake. I don't know if Amazon sent me some gifts. I don't know. But yes, I did order from Amazon. I did order from Amazon this week because I had some essentials that I wanted to add. And there were just two items. One is an essential, the other one is just a gadget. So yeah, let's see what I've ordered, if it's in this box, and let's see the drama that Amazon did with this box. Let's go. Do I need a scissor for this? Oh, I just need to. Yeah. Okay. Let's see the drama. So this week I ordered two items from Amazon. The items I couldn't find them anywhere else at Pick n Pay or other brands. The reason why I mentioned Pick n Pay is because I bought food for my dogs at Pick n Pay, and guess what? My dogs didn't want to eat that food. I don't know if I should share the food with you guys, but I don't want to seem like I'm bashing brands, so I don't bash brands like that. But yeah, maybe I might do a little review, but maybe the problem is my dogs, just the change of diet. So my dogs couldn't eat the other food, so I was like, hey, let me fast quick order their favorite food. So I've ordered two items. The drama that's here, so much space here for these two items. Okay, here we go. This is what I've ordered. I've ordered some microphones, Volcano. The reason why I ordered these Volcano microphones is because someone was recommending them on TikTok and they said it's good quality, so I'm still yet to find out. I'm gonna use it, and then you guys will be the judge as well. So yeah, this is a Volcano. One thing I like about these ones is because they are also wireless. It's plug and play. There's also noise cancellation, wind cancellation, and yeah. Oh yeah, and then you can connect them to any phone. It's a USB-C receiver, or you can use a Apple adapter receiver. So yeah, I'm yet to find out. And apparently you can use them up to 5 hours. Oh wow, so they are big deal, I guess. And 2-year warranty. So if something happens to them during now, I can return them and they will give me my money back. So I will test them. Hope for 2 years I'll be using this. Yeah, so we'll test them later and see if they work. And then I have ordered this as well. This is Monty and Me Essential. This is good for dogs. If you are looking for food that you can buy for a dog that is good quality, try this one. There's other brands as well from Montego that you can try, like your Montego Classics and stuff, but this one is affordable, cost effective. Yeah, so you get a lot from this dog food. You get there's quite a lot you can get. The ingredients are corn, pork, poultry, animal fat, salt, vegetable oils, minerals, and vitamins. And I think there's also some edition as well. But yeah, they are suitable for all breeds. Yeah, it's not a sponsored video, but I'm just telling you how good this brand is. So I've been feeding all my dogs this brand, and I've never had any issues. The problem is when I switch to another brand, that's when I have issues. So yeah, I had to buy these from Amazon because they were cheaper there, and then there was free delivery as well. So I was like, why not? And then yeah, full of protein, minerals, and whole grain. So number one. So yeah, guys, I wanted to show you guys this drama. Well, this was not planned for the unboxing to do this, but I wanted to show you guys the drama of this box just for 2 items. I mean, really? Anyway, let me go feed my dogs. Thank you for watching.
Mama, handle bella pillow, bella. Come on, says all cause John Chaplis. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah.
How I get up, but I want to live there. Look at Junior Olympiad.
Around the mountains, first exit onto Styx Road.
And then people realize after your death, or you know what I'm saying?
In 500 meters.
Music, 100 meters.
Yeah, and it's a little like.
For their music.
Okay.
This time,
Okay.
Heal the world, make it a better place for chiefs and the world to witness Sundowns.
What are the energy for you?
bua lilla.
O bole yona.
Na Sundowns e wina mo ke tlhobela skip.
O fela ngwana ka.
Ke fela Sundowns.
You're a tiger and a sheepskin. I'm to somewhere to change and go to keep. Open the Sundowns. Ngwana ka Sundowns.
And o ka se change.
But o change. No.
Na le ka bane re entse deal. A re ha ka wina mo ka tseno.
But if you can't beat them. The Sundowns are like your Chiefs. The cause for life. Contract then is for lifetime. This one and a Pirates are once a Pirates always a one. And then their Chiefs this one a link. They never know for life.
I connect.
Don't lose money. They never got a birthday. But I'm smoking. Ish. How much I love you. Popela volume. What question? Abash! Heal, man. Let's heal. Chiefs, heal this world. Arakaja Sundowns, South Africa's here. Let miracle. Oja batuba concentrate on miracle. Yeah, Sundowns. Yeah, what's it? Yeah. Chiefs it did. But what was it the computer?
Not know too much today.
That's why you protect you from Monday.
Yeah.
I don't want to talk too much today. I will talk after the game.
Ooh.
Not now.
There's no need to cry.
I can go about 27 more.
There's no hurt or
sorrow. Oh. Take me some videos, man, when I was crazy. We will rock you. Sundowns.
Score prediction.
2-1. 2-1.
2-1 to what?
2-1 Chiefs. Sundowns. Siyanzwela ngoba ngabantwana abancane. Sinisha 2-1. We'll rock you. I get back and I'll join you. So something you can go back.